What's up, YouTube? Back with another day in the life video. Well, it's not one day, it's a few days merged together. They're not the most interesting jobs in the world, but hopefully they'll help out the apprentices or more novice. That sounds a bit wrong. Less experienced viewers, and hopefully you experienced viewers will enjoy it. Thanks for watching anyway. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. It is really much, very much, really much, really much appreciated. Thanks for watching. This is always one to watch out for on busters. If you just give that pipe a squeeze, you can feel the condensate blocked. So pull this off, squeeze it out, suck it out with a wet back. Job done. Now, this is a common fault on the Baxi 105HE and 105Es. Dripping from the flow switch diaphragm. Well, this is the gland that was dripping, but normally it's caused by the diaphragm at the back or the little O-ring on the pin. And just replace them both because it's easy enough to do. Get the water shut off. Undo the micro switch connection with the posi drive screwdriver. Flick that out of the way. Got to undo this connection and all these flathead screws. Take that out. Don't lose your spring. Big plastic washer and your diaphragm's there. Looking a bit worse for wear. Couldn't see any holes in this. Normally there's a split in it, but it hadn't got to that stage. There's your new one. And fitted in reverse order. I filled that with silicone grease now. I've got the O-ring, the silver washer, and the new nut. Water back on. Good as gold. Now onto this one. Constantly running tap, needs a new washer. It's not on a pressurised system or a combi, so we need to find the cold feed into the bottom of the cylinder, trace it back and hope there's a gate valve that works on it. There she is. Shut that off. It's not completely off, but it's off enough for us to work on. Take a little screw out, remove the plastic. Always put your plug in the basin for what's going to happen next. Yep. That did just pull off, but needed a bit more brute force. Undo the guts out the tap, and that'll show the washer. Let's go put it back in there. Let's go and get a washer, save flooding the bathroom as that gate valve is still passing. Check the seat at the bottom of it, make sure it's clean and not a nice and flat smooth surface. Nip her back up. Test she's working, lovely. Water's obviously back on at this point. realised I put the plastic spacer on back to front. We all make mistakes, right? Don't forget to tighten this little screw in on this one. The tap head just pushes on. Easy as that. On this one, replacing this. I'm not going to talk too much about it because I've done these numerous times on my videos. We're only changing the actual way around bar because you don't want any more holes in the tiles. There's nothing that would slide rail as it is. So you can just keep that as a spare. Get the water off. Come back to you. Shut this water off here because stop taps a bastard to get to, which this isn't. Oh fuck. Yes. Hopefully that's that. Put the sheet down in case you drop anything. Take this head off now. Let's see. Is that just what's in the hose? That'll do. Water's obviously not shut off fully. Clean all this up, that's where you change these plates. Probably. Thermostat's failed in this one. We don't know make and model, so it's cheaper and easier just to replace the shower. Get it cleaned up. At least it's silicone behind, but it's only stuck with silicone. It's never been screwed. On, off, make sure she's off. Hose on, water on, tester. These hoses are supposed to go through this loop. Stop it from getting contaminated if it dropped into the water. It's for water eggs, but the customer can't wash the bath down because the hose ends up being restricted in this, so it is what it is. Another faulty thermostat. This time it's a bath over shower. Again, no make and model to order a new cartridge. Screw fits. 54 quid. It's cheaper just to change it. So I've got the water off. Same as a bar mix shower. Undo them too. Swap her over. Fucking hell. So you get wet knees. Spin them off. Change them washers. Cold on the right, hot on the left. Hopefully it's right way around on the camera. Tighten them up equally. Hopefully that's off. We'll put the hose on because it doesn't come with a replacement. Now I've got wet knees. It's going to be hard work explaining, isn't it? Give it a test. Oh shit. Perfect. I think that's just what's left after testing it because it seems to have slowed down the drip now. According to you, it'll be a nice easy day of easy jobs, but these are spread over a few days with other jobs in between. I wish there was all this easy. Boiler services mainly. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe. I was hoping to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of January. Way off. Thanks to all that have subscribed though, I really do appreciate it. And your comments and your likes. It means a lot. Thanks for watching.